hydration stations on our routes. So stay hydrated and also safe people natin since we have a gloomy morning for today. We are asking everyone to please stretching, no? So we will get back to you later on. Hydrated and keep your smile. Welcoming you once again to Family Fun Runoff 2025. Ayan. How about the backside? 3K runners at the back, are you ready? We start our gun start for 3-kilometer run. Ayan. Reminder po, ayan, may mga 3K pa ako na nakikita na going to our starting line. Once again, calling the attention of our 3K runners. Please proceed to our starting line. You still have 2 minutes left before the gun starts. Runners, handa na ba lahat?
Handa!
Alright, 3K runners. Alright, remember, as always we said, please stay hydrated and stay safe and have fun. At the count of 10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kayo ay panalo basta matapos nyo ang inyong takbo.
Thank you po.
Muli po, magandang umaga sa inyo, mga mahal na panauhin, mga mahal na kapatid.
Morning po.
Lahat ng nalaok sa patrol na sa kasalukuyan ay nagpamarong.
Walang S.
Busy po kayo pa po pero I hope nag-enjoy po kayo sa pakikinig. Maraming salamat po.
Yes! Thank you lang po. Magpagawa niyo yung Twinkles. Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Ayan, guys, don't forget to follow them sa social media nila.
Kaya naman para sa lahat po ng mga videos sa sa aming Twinkles, sa lahat ng team of artists, managers, and management nandito, muli,